Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Check the Microsoft account signed into Xbox and verify your Game Pass subscription is active. Once done, make sure the console has the latest system update installed and that your network connection is stable, prefer wired for reliability. Restart the Xbox and your router to refresh IP assignments and NAT. This clears many transient issues quickly. If you still see problems, note any error codes shown, because those guide the next, more detailed steps. Now you dig deeper. Clear local cache and offline licenses to force a permissions refresh. This resolves many access errors. Next, uninstall and reinstall the Game Pass or Xbox app on the console, then sign out of your Microsoft profile and sign back in to refresh tokens. Also check storage. Make room or move installs to a different drive so updates can apply. Once you reapply updates, monitor the download queue. If an update stalls, pause and resume it, because that often restarts a stuck process. To finish, perform a full power cycle. Shut down, unplug for 10 seconds, then restart both router and Xbox to clear hardware-level glitches. If a specific title fails, uninstall and reinstall that game and ensure its updates complete. You can also reset network settings to factory defaults if connectivity remains flaky. If issues persist, remove and re-add your Xbox profile to refresh licensing. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see an offline license,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.